Let's try about something which is very interesting about mathematics, about factorials. About factorials, the factorial notation. You might be wondering, what is this one equal to what? We have 0 factorial plus 0 factorial to the power of 0 factorial plus 0 factorial, then multiply with the same expression, 0 factorial plus 0 factorial power 0 factorial plus 0 factorial. So before we go to this question, I wanted us to understand what we call factorials. Factorials. How do we calculate factorials? When we talk about factorials now, normally we talk about the progressive multiplication from that number and with one progressively but decreasing. So we take, this is n, we start from that number, we multiply with n minus 1 factorial. Yes, we can put factorial, or we can keep going multiplying with n minus 2. Where do we get the n minus 2? It means we take this, we subtract with 1. Minus 1, we get minus 2. We multiply also n minus 3. Progressively, up to where we get 3 times 2 times 1. Like you see that we stop at 1. For example, if we have 5 factorial, this can be written as 5 times, which is n, 5 minus 1, which is n minus 1, times 5 minus 2, which is n minus 1 minus 1, times 5 minus 3, which is n minus 3, then times 5 minus 4. You might be wondering, why do we stop here? It's because we stop at 1. Then it means it is n minus 1. That is where we stop with to get 1. So that it will not be like negative and positive and zeros. So this is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 then times 1. You see that when you look at this number and when you look at this, you see that we have subtracted 1 progressively. We have subtracted 1 progressively. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 progressively. And then this is 20, this is 6, so it is 20 times 6, which is equal to 120. Normally, we can say that 5 factorial is equal to 120. So, now, back to our question. We have to find 0 factorial. As you have seen here, the last number when we are talking about factorial is 1. We subtract 1 progressively. And here, the last number, which is n, is 0. So, it means that when you look at this one in factorial, there is no number which is less than 1. It means that here, the only number that you have, we're not finding the factorial of 0, it is only 1. You can take a number which is less than 1 as 0. So, only number that we have, it is 1. That's why we say that 0 factorial is 1. Then, after getting done, after understanding now this, we can now go to our question. So, it is 0 factorial, which is 1, plus 0 factorial, which is 1, power 1 plus 1, 0 factorial plus 0 factorial, times 1 plus 1, then 1 plus 1. So this is 2 power 2 plus, times 2 power 2. Like that. It is 2 power 2 times 2 power 2. And this is equal to what? This is equal to 4 times 4. And this is equal to 16. We can say that now our equation is equal to 16. So, thank you very much. Hope that this one is helpful. And if you have a question, you can add it in the comment section.